kids, it's English time, and today we will count. Do you remember this chicken? Chicken Little, who lives on a farm. This is a chicken coop. I wonder who lives in a chicken coop. I wonder. A chicken lives here? A hen? A duck? And a goose with their families. How many chicken are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chicken in the coop. How many chicken are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chicken in the coop. How many geese are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 geese. How many chicken is there? 1. How many hens? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 hens in the coop. How many ducks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 ducks in a coop. How many chicken are there? They are 2. How many ducks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ducks. How many ducks? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ducks in the coop. Well, how many geese are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 geese in the coop. Well done. What about now? There are 2 geese in the coop. And how many chicken are there now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 chicken in the coop. What about hens? How many hens are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 hens in the coop. How many geese are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 geese in the coop. Now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.